How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily turn on the professional mode on your Facebook profile. But before beginning, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. On that note, let's get started. First thing first, just open up your Facebook app. And once you open up your application, from here you just want to head over to your menu section. From here, you can just tap on your profile to just open up your profile settings. Now, you just have to scroll down a bit until you see this three dots right beside your profile. Just tap on it. You will find multiple profile settings here, including your profile status, your archives, your view as, your profile log, activity log, manage post, and many more. And right around the bottom corner, you will find this turn on professional mode. Just tap on it, and here it will show you all of the advantages that you will have after turning on the professional mode. Like you can get paid for your content, you can see your content insights, grow your audience, be discovered with tagging. So you can read through all of these for details. Tap on turn on, and once you do that, just wait for it to load. And from here, you can just quickly cover up the basics. Tap on next, define your audience. You can choose your default audience. Public audience is suggested as it will give you more exposure. So just tap on next. From here, you can review your selection, confirm your settings. And then once you do that, you can just head back or tap on next, next. And finally, on your profile frame, you can change your profile picture to this. You can skip this for now. And from here, you can just go ahead and tap on professional dashboard, which will indicate that your professional mode is turned on. Now, if I just refresh my profile, I'll see my professional dashboard right here, indicating that my professional mode has been turned on my profile. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.